Yoo-hoo, big summer blowout.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I am Gyasi and I'm the new presenter in the CBeebies house and it's my first day, it's my first minute. I'm super excited and also really nervous, but let's go and say hi to everybody. Hi!
Hi.
Hi, I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You excited?
This is insane. Like, it's insane. Wow. Hi. Hi.
It's
Hi.
exciting time.
Crazy. Okay, so I done my screen test in April. Then didn't
Is it in
hear.
April?
Yeah. And then didn't hear anything for months. So I kind of sent an email being like, hey, I mustn't have got the job, so please keep me in mind for something else in the future. And then 20 minutes later, I got a phone call from the production manager being like, oh, can you jump on a Zoom call? And I was like, yeah, no problem. They were like, we're really hoping that you say yes at the end of this call. And I was like, say what? Say yes? And I was like, yes. And then started crying.
On the call?
On call. So I'm originally from Northern Ireland, as you can probably tell by my wee accent. And then I moved to London there 9 months ago, September, the end of September. And I'm very fortunate, and I'm not taking any of this for granted.
No. And how were your family when you got the job? What were their reactions like?
Mum was speechless down the phone. My brother was in the background screaming. So he was actually rang me yesterday being like, I just want you to know I'm so proud. So it's been an emotional week.
It's going to be really strange for you to see yourself on the telly.
I can't. It's not real.
Are you going to be watching it, or are your family going to be watching?
Thankfully, I'm actually going to be home.
Oh yeah.
I'm actually going to be home the weekend before I first air, so I'm actually going to be with my mum and my brothers, which is really nice. It worked out perfectly.
So how are you feeling? Are you nervous? Are you excited? How are you feeling?
Oh my word, I am all of the emotions. Nervous, excited, scared.
Don't be scared. It's the best job in the world.
It looks like the best job in the world.
It really is.
I still can't believe I'm doing this. This is so surreal. I mean, this is the CBeebies house. This isn't a joke, right? Do I work here now? Did I? Can I what? Can I sit on the edge?
Yeah.
Oh. Anyone has been up here. I know it's funny. Hi Evie.
Hi, I always get scared in case people go with that creaking sound. I'm like, oh god. But it's totally safe.
It's totally safe. It's very high. So I'm gonna get that.
It is high. And what are you most excited about? Like looking forward to? Is there anything you think I can't wait to? I don't know, do a sketch or sing a song or birthday card?
I mean everything, and I love whenever you guys do the pantos and stuff around Christmas and all that. I'm so excited for everything in the studio, but I'm kind of curious to see what else you guys as CBeebies presenters do outside of the studio. And I really want to explore that, so that'll be fun. Nice. Hopefully.
Hi Evie.
Oh, hi JC. It's Arty Tuesday and we're getting up to lots of arty fun today.
And we have been drawing pictures of some of the adventures that we are about to go on today. And Maddie is going to find out all about the life cycle of plants.
Amazing.
I was very performing arts heavy before presenting, but whenever I moved to London, I kind of thought I really want to pursue TV presenting. It was always something that was in the back of my mind. But
obviously children's present is amazing, but any other present, are you open to do other things or?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. I want to do absolutely everything that I possibly can. But you know what a springboard, what a starting point.
Gosh. CBeebies is just
the biggest children's TV channel in the country.
It really is.
No biggie.